Food Market Hub. Purchasing and inventory may be easy. Food Market Hub provide purchasing and inventory in most efficient way to manage central kitchen operation. Let's take a look at Food Market Hub solution in action for central kitchen. Once outlet make order from central kitchen, central kitchen will receive the order and check the order details in sales order list to start the production of order items. Next, central kitchen can set up new recipe by input the recipe information such as ingredient information, overhead and cost of goods sales. Once central kitchen receive the sales order, central kitchen have to generate work order and update the produce quantity while complete the work order production. Central kitchen can check the stock balance via stock balance report to ensure quantity of existing stock. Once the stock balance is not enough for production, central kitchen can place order on insufficient ingredients. Complete the order while receive the ordered stock. Print out the recipe card and allow the staff follow the ingredients stated inside to select the ingredients while prepare to work on certain recipe. Other than that, there are many reports that can help central kitchen to manage their sales, stocks and purchases. For example, central kitchen can view on sales analysis report to view details on quantity and total value sold grouped by certain conditions. Variance summary report allows central kitchen to view on the summary of stock variance by item or value between the previous stock count and current stock count. For more details on step-by-step guidance to perform the functions mentioned above, please visit the Food Market Hub Restaurant Supply Chain Platform YouTube channel.